Good day, everybody. Jason with Learn to Survive. I'd like to apologize for the delay in getting back to videos, which I said I would get back to a month or more ago. Sometimes things happen in life that are unexpected. I recently lost a friend to suicide. It was very hard to deal with. He was a good guy. I just want to say if any of you feel depressed, feel that life is not worth living, please reach out to someone, whether it be a friend, a family member, or even the suicide prevention hotline. If you're more comfortable or you don't have anybody, you can reach out to me. Leave a comment, and I will find a way to get you my contact information, whether it be an email address, a phone number so you can call or text, and we can talk. Just know that there is always someone out there who cares. With that being said, on with this video. I was inspired by my two youngest children to do a giveaway. I wish I could give each and every one of you that subscribe to my channel a gift, but I'm not a rich man, and I can't do that. I would love to, but I can't. What inspired me to do this is to give back because of my children and what they did. My oldest daughter gave birth to her second child here recently. Unfortunately, he came early. He was a preemie. And all the items that they bought ahead of time, the diapers, the clothes, are all too big for him. And my kids came to me and said, Dad, we know you've been saving money for Christmas like you do every year. Instead of buying us presents, let's help Sis out and get her and the baby the stuff they need. So I talked to them, make sure that's what they wanted to do, and we went shopping. There was some money left after buying clothes and diapers and stuff for the baby. Instead of spending it on them, they asked if they could pick a name, each one of them, off the angel tree and take the money that was left and split it in half and buy presents for a family in need. They said there are people out there that are pretty bad off and won't have a Christmas period, and they wanted to help. And there are many times I wonder if the morals that I try and instill in my kids took. And am I doing a good job raising them? And in that moment, I realized, you know what? I've probably did a better job than I give myself credit for. Like anybody that's a parent wonders if they've done a good enough job raising their kids. And they all find out one way or another when something happens that they've done a good job in raising them. So here's what I'd like to do for this giveaway. It's not much, but it's something from me to two of my viewers. I went out and I picked up 2 Schrade knives. Everybody loves a knife. Everybody needs a knife. The first one is a drop point. They're not razor hair popping sharp, but they have a good working edge on them. There's the drop point, belt clip, rubberized handle, liner lock. The second one is a Purcell straight edge, Purcell serrated spear point. Same thing, nice pocket clip, double-sided thumb stud, guard and flipper. Good working edge on them. Kind of hard to do with a serrated end cap on it, but as you can see, got a sharp serviceable edge. Now again, this one's not razor hair popping sharp, but more than sharp enough to do any task. I carry one of these in this line, a Tano blade, quite often. Good little knife. So to have a chance at winning one of those, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. If you already subscribed, leave a comment. And on December 25th, I will use a random comment generator picker thingy, and I will pick 2 winners. And if any of you would like, and I would appreciate this very much, and I thank you in advance from the bottom of my heart, share this video. And if anybody that you share it with subscribes and comments, they'll be entered in the drawing too. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I have a couple really good videos coming up. I think they're good anyway. To show you some things and go over why I'm choosing a certain item over a certain comparable item, and what the difference is, that kind of good stuff, to help you make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Take care of one another. Watch your back. And I will talk to y'all later.